Welcome to Wagner Library. My name is Prilla Spear. I am the librarian that works directly with the Skinner School of Business, specifically the DBA program, and consequently you, the online DBA student. I want to talk to you today about resources that are relevant and that will be beneficial for you as you begin your first assignment in this course. You are looking at the DBA Research Guide. Research guides are web pages organizing Trevecca Library services and resources by broad subject, by individual course, or by degree programs. The DBA Research Guide has information about library resources, which include databases that are relevant to the field of business, books and ebooks, streaming video, APA formatting, and style guides, which includes the modified guide that is used by the Skinner School of Business and this program in particular. If you use Google Scholar, there's information here on how to link your Google Scholar account to Trevecca's library. That means you get access to full-text Trevecca content using Google Scholar. And there's other related topics such as dissertation and RefWorks, which are tools and resources you may or may not use throughout your program. But then we also have course-related programs such as leadership resources and what I want to focus on today with you, and that is business trends research. I'm going to click this tab to go to business trends research. Here you'll see information about Browsine. Browsine is a tool you may or may not be familiar with. I'm sure you have used at some point our databases such as Business Source Complete or ProQuest Central. We also have a wonderful one called ABI Informed Trade and Industry that you can use to search this particular topic. What makes Browsine different is that it allows you to browse journals. And these journals are professional journals in the business field. By browsing the journals, this is like being in the current issues section of a public library where you pull out the most recent issue of the magazine and you are reading what's going on, current news, current information, current trends. That's what Browsine will do for you. It allows you to peruse journals, looking at table of contents, pulling up journal articles, being able to access those mobilely as well as on a computer, stationary computer. Browsing is a tool that can be customized to your taste or to your perspective. Let's talk and let's go look at Browsine. So I'm going to go at the bottom of this page here, e-journals by subject Browsine. Clicking that link will open Browsine. The first thing you see on the left is the search box. On the right, you will see the opportunity to log in. Now, I'm already logged in, so you obviously see my name here, or I should say my email address. To search, you can enter content here, type a subject, a title, or the ISSN, or we can drill down by subject area. So we can click business and economics, and this is like seeing a shelf in person. You're looking at all the journals on the shelf. When we're looking at business and economics, we have so many titles. Goes on and on. Let's narrow our topic down. I'm going to click on business, and then we get some subheadings here. So I can actually click on business education if that was the field I was interested in, or business communication, or perhaps it's administration and management. I will click that, and now I have a limited set that reflects that subject area. You can sort these A to Z, or you can use journal rank. And when you click journal rank, it says it takes the measurement of a journal's impact. So it is reflecting the validity maybe, or the way, the popularity in a sense of that particular journal. So we can click on the very first one, the Academy of Management Journal, and we are seeing the current issue, volume 62, issue 4, 2019. These are all articles within that journal. You will see the title, the page numbers, the author's names. You'll also see a link to the article. The link to the article here is not just a URL. What it does is it links you into Trevecca's library collection and pulls up the article. So you get direct connection to the full text. The Save to My Articles is a folder, a virtual folder of special articles that you want to save. Once again, it's a customizable feature. You can export the citation. Currently, they export to Zotero and EndNote. Trevecca uses a tool called RefWorks. It is a citation manager, and it creates a research library. Eventually, they will have that export option to RefWorks, just not at this time. You can also share your citation. So you can share it with someone who is not a member of Trevecca's community. Now, I'm going to go back to the journals, and I'm going to pick something else. This one has a wonderful title, Technovation. And it looks the same, as you can tell. It's the journal interface, the volume, the table of contents, in other words, for this particular journal. What you are seeing differently, however, is these have a PDF. And when you have that PDF, you can take the full text of that and download it. So that's an important feature, but that is a free download for you through Trevecca's library. Now, if you wanted to peruse farther, or earlier years, I should say, we could click on 2017 here, and we are looking at we're looking at research done in 2017. You can then click on your issues, and it'll drill you into specific issues. So how does this help with your topic? Well, your topic for this class is about current issues and trends. By looking at current journals and looking at commonalities in what is being discussed and talked about, you are pulling out quality content that is saying this is an issue in our subject area. This is a trend that's facing our subject or our topic area. As a Trevecca user, you can create a free account. And creating an account is important because it allows you to put these on a virtual bookshelf. So if I did not have an account, I can do everything I was just doing now, but I don't have the ability to save it. So later I can come back and just pull up that journal article. So create your account, and then you can add it to your bookshelf. Now I've already added Technovation to my bookshelf. So let me go look at my bookshelf, just linked right up here at the top. And these are I've customized this. These are journals I'm interested in. I've also customized headings here. So I'm able to customize how I want it to look and meet the research needs I have, not to just be in the database format. I also can, if you wanted, you could save an article, but I can click on my articles and you all can see the articles that I have saved. I can once again customize this. This is my heading here, e-learning. And then I have some subheadings here. If I just wanted to see the one on literacy or maybe online courses, I've got content here that I have access to. Because I have my login, I'm able to access this anytime I log in mobilely or any place you have a mobile device. Browsing has an app that's iOS and Android. That means you can log in and have your account accessible on your phone or your iPad, whatever device you have beyond your laptop or your computer. So that is browsing in a nutshell. I'm going to go back to the research guide here. There is a link to a video about browsing, and as you look at the top here, there's more information for you about browsing. So, look at that and identify specific things you're really interested in and search. If you are struggling, or if you're having problems, or maybe you just have general questions about using the library resources, whether it is these databases, web sources, or browsing here, you can click on Contact the Library, and you have ability, if the chat is available, you'll see live chat here. You can call or text us during library hours. You can email the library 24/7. We will respond. It says within 48. Usually it's 24. You can set an appointment to meet with the librarian. You could do that if you wanted to meet with me, or if you just needed to meet with any librarian, it doesn't matter. But when you click to meet with a librarian, you have the option to choose myself, or you have no preference. You select the time, and once you get through some of this process, there's an option to say you want to meet face-to-face, or you want a telephone meeting, or you maybe want something virtual like a Zoom conference meeting. I'm going back to the research guide, the DBA research guide, and I'm going back to the home page. On this home page, you'll see a link for my information. So please reach out and contact me if you need assistance.